What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to upload an album on Soundcloud. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Soundcloud and sign in to your account. Next, click Upload and upload each song in your album one at a time. Once all your tracks have been uploaded, click the three dots next to a song and select Add to Playlist. Create a new playlist, enter your album name, then click Save. After that, open the playlist and click Edit. Here, upload your album cover, add a description if you'd like, and change the playlist type to album. When you're done, click Save Changes. And that's it. That's how you can upload an album on SoundCloud. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.